I got a call from this unknown number on my phone and I picked it up and he said, "Hi, this is Suraj Bhajatia speaking." And I was like, "Yeah, right, of course," and I'm Madhuri Dixit.
Okay, पूरी Google है.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
Hi, welcome to Hotterfly.
Thank you so much for having me.
At Girl Club of Bollywood, we ask every guest about, how their journey in Bollywood really started. If they could talk a little bit about, their first audition, their very first break, some of the struggles, give us an insight.
So the first ever film audition that I did was for my debut film with Rajdeep Productions. Before that, I'd never done a film audition. I didn't know what film auditions were like. And my experience with acting was also very limited because I didn't, begin this entire journey thinking that I want to be an actor.
Yeah.
That was never on the cards for me. At Rajshri, I got a call from this unknown number on my phone. And I picked it up and he said, "Hi, this is Suraj Bhajatia speaking." And I was like, "Yeah, right, of course," and I'm Madhuri Dixit. And anyways, after he's like, "No, this is Suraj Bhajatia, and we've really liked your test, and would you like to, do the film?"
Yeah.
And I was like, "Is Suraj Bhajatia asking me if I want to do the film?" I'm like, he should be telling me that we're giving you this film.
Yeah.
But he's like, we would really like you to hear out the script and see if you want to do it. And I was like, "Yes, of course, give it to me right now." I felt like it was a sail through, but it was only during the process of filming that I actually realized that I want to be an actor. Everything that I know about the technicality of it, I learned it on set. Whether how to hit your mark, how to take your line. I didn't know anything. I couldn't understand why the trolley is going dire ahead. So I was taught everything at Rajshri.
So you got all your, we can say, training and everything on set.
Yes, it was all on set. I'm very sinned. I've done a whole lot of things.
First is greed.
I'm very greedy for food and chocolates.
But being greedy for food is not really a sin. Choose now.
Fine, I'll drink this. Damn. Oh no.
Pride.
I think I'm constantly proud of myself for various things.
Lust.
Lust? I've never felt lust. What are you talking about?
Really?
I've never felt. Never. What? Which one do I have to drink?
You might like the strawberries.
Every time I probably watch a Hemsworth, one sibling on TV, I feel very lustful. And Hrithik Roshan.
Envy.
So you feel it on a surface, but not really envious of anybody or anything.
So I'm happy it's a knot.
Oh,
Choose
damn.
from the lot if it's a knot.
Oh, that's it. You rhymed it. I'll try the other thing. Hopefully this will be slightly better.
If you want, you can take a sip. That's also fine. We don't do drinking games in the show, but they generally say that if a girl has a vodka shot without making a face, she's a baller. So have you ever tried having a shot without making a face?
That I don't know, but I've definitely done lots of shots.
But making a face. So let's try this. So you have this, I have this, and let's do it without making a face. Let's try. Okay, we're considering this as a vodka shot.
We're pros. I'm an actor.
Wrath.
Wrath. I've not felt wrath. It's too strong a word. Why do I have to do this? You just see. So I've just had that shot, so it compensates for this.
Do you want to go for the fruit?
You're a horrible person.
The next one, sloth.
I've been slothful for sure. There have been days I've not taken a shower and I've just vegetated at home. I have those things. In between projects, because I'm constantly working and there are 18-hour shifts and 20-hour shifts sometimes that I do, that there are days that I just vegetate. I'm like this coma person who just sits in that one place in that night suit and I eat all the rubbish that there is in the world. All the sweet things that there is in the world, all like the pizzas of the world, and I binge watch stuff.
Gluttony.
Yes, 1,000 times yes. Like I'm the biggest glutton you'll meet on this earth. I eat a lot. I always order much more than I can ever eat.
Sandeepa, you're a content creator, an actor, a dancer, and of course so many facets, So do you think that in these days, there's a very blurred line between content creation and acting, you know? Because all actors are content creators, all actors are coming up with YouTube channels, Instagram, obviously reels, everything. Maybe not all content creators have become actors.
Correct.
So what's your take on that?
You know, I don't want to take away from the effort that goes into content creation, and I don't think all actors should be called content creators, because just because we make something which is floozy is actually not content creation. What actors are doing is just like a bifurcation of that content creation, just to keep our social media engaging and stuff like that. But I wouldn't call ourselves content creators. There's much more to content creation than creating just a transition video or or just like or lip syncing to some dialogues. That's not content creation.
So I've got a few pickup lines and you have to react to these pickup lines with the emojis. Well, here I am. What are your other 2 wishes?
How innovative. I'll be like this.
Yeah.
Like, matlab? Madhubal?
I must be a snowflake because I've fallen for you.
It's cheesy.
Yeah.
I'll give you that. But it's sweet. Are we being too bold and outright there? Maybe this.
I wish I were cross-eyed so I could see you twice.
But why would you want to see me twice? Matlab? But he wants 2. Like, this is the greed. This is the greed in the guy. He wants 2 of me, basically. But he's done with one, he's got the other one. Asshole!
Is your name Google? Because you have everything I've ever searched for.
What a smile to my face. Maybe I like you a little bit. अब बस ना ये बहुत ज़्यादा
पूरी book है
बहुत ज़्यादा
मैडम पूरी book है पूरी Google है
ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
My love for you is like diarrhea. Can't hold it.
Eee, that's disgusting. Yeah, why would something when you
Compare love with diarrhea.
That's my thing. I'm also smelling that.
Thank you so much for being
Pleasure.
at the Girl Club of Bollywood, and we hope we can do many more, conversations with you.
I'm glad, and thank you for having me. It's been a great fun. Hey guys, this is Sandeepa Dhar, and I just finished a really interesting conversation and a fun chat with the Girl Club of Bollywood, which is on Hotterfly. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.